Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of headphones? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the TOZO HT3 wireless headphones, designed for immersive sound and all-day comfort in a sleek over-ear design. Enjoy rich audio with deep bass and clear vocals, whether you're at home or on the go. With active noise cancellation, stable connectivity, and long battery life, they deliver a smooth, focused listening experience for music, calls, and daily use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO HT3 wireless headphones, aux audio cable, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, technical specifications. Talking about the design, the TOZO HT3 features an over-ear wireless design that delivers immersive sound while staying comfortable for long listening sessions. And in terms of build, it comes with a durable, lightweight construction, available in black, blue, pink, and white. It's equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers that produce powerful, balanced audio. And with a weight of around 257 grams, it feels solid yet comfortable for extended use. For noise cancellation, you get multiple modes including active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive mode, and even wind noise reduction for different environments, while low latency performance keeps audio smooth and in sync for videos and everyday use. The headphones use easy button controls for managing music, calls, and noise modes. And with Bluetooth 6.0, you get fast, stable, and efficient connectivity. It also supports SBC and AAC codecs for good audio quality, and the over-ear cushioned ear cups provide a secure, comfortable fit. When it comes to battery life, you get up to 55 hours with ANC on and up to 90 hours with it off. And finally, it charges via USB-C in about 2 hours. Product features. The TOZO HT3 features a sleek over-ear design with soft cushioned ear cups that provide a secure and comfortable fit. Its lightweight build ensures minimal pressure on your head, making it perfect for long listening sessions at home, during work, or while traveling. The adjustable headband adds extra flexibility, allowing it to fit different head sizes comfortably. Equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers, the HT3 delivers rich, immersive audio with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. It comes with multiple noise control modes, including active noise cancellation, ANC, to block out distractions, transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings, and Tri-Mic ENC, environmental noise cancellation, for clearer, more natural-sounding calls. These features ensure high-quality sound whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls. With a powerful 500 mAh battery, the HT3 offers up to 55 hours of music playback with ANC enabled, and up to 90 hours with noise cancellation turned off. This long-lasting battery life makes it ideal for extended travel, workdays, or daily use without the need for frequent charging. The headphones feature Bluetooth 6.0 for fast pairing, stable connections, and efficient power usage. They support SBC and AAC audio codecs, ensuring smooth, high-quality wireless audio. The effective 10-meter Bluetooth range keeps you connected to your device without interruptions, whether you're at home or on the go. Product overview. The TOZO HT3 headphones feature a streamlined design with all primary controls and ports conveniently located along the bottom edge of the ear cups for easy access. On one side, you'll find the active noise cancellation dip switch to manage your sound environment, positioned right next to the Type-C charging port and the AUX audio jack for wired listening. Moving to the other side, the multifunctional play, pause, on, or off button sits at the top of the control cluster, followed by the volume plus button, which also doubles as the next song selector. Finally, the volume button rounds out the interface, serving as the previous song control to give you full command over your audio experience. How to pair? Download the TOZO app from your smartphone's App Store or Google Play. The app lets you customize your sound settings, switch between EQ presets, adjust noise cancellation modes, and control other headphone features for a fully personalized listening experience. To pair the HT3 with your smartphone, tablet, or computer, press and hold the power button until the LED indicator starts flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. Then, open the Bluetooth settings on your device, search for available devices, and select TOZO HT3 from the list. Once connected, the LED will stop flashing, confirming a successful connection. Open the TOZO app and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize setup. You can customize touch gestures, check battery levels, and adjust audio settings. After setup, you're ready to deliver high-quality sound, comfortable listening, and seamless performance for immersive music, clear calls, and a fully optimized listening experience. How to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end to a power source like a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status, and once it's fully charged, usually in about 2 hours, the light will indicate completion. After that, you're ready to enjoy long hours of playback. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The TOZO HT3 features a lightweight plastic construction paired with soft protein leather ear cups and a comfortable over-ear design, making it ideal for long listening sessions. It focuses more on comfort and practicality with multiple color options. On the other hand, the Soundcore by Anker Q20i also uses a durable plastic build but feels slightly more refined, with memory foam ear cushions and a sturdier hinge design, giving it a more premium and polished feel for everyday use and travel. The TOZO HT3 is equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver rich, balanced sound, along with multiple noise control modes, including active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive mode, and even wind noise reduction. It also features Tri-Mic ANC for clearer call quality, making it more versatile in different environments. In comparison, the Soundcore Q20i also uses 40mm drivers and focuses on strong bass with its bass-up technology, along with hybrid ANC that effectively reduces background noise and a transparency mode for awareness. However, it offers fewer noise control options compared to the HT3, focusing more on simplicity and bass-heavy performance. The TOZO HT3 stands out with its massive battery life, offering up to 55 hours of playback with ANC enabled and up to 90 hours with it turned off, making it ideal for long trips and extended use without frequent charging. It also features the latest Bluetooth 6.0 for fast pairing, stable connection, and efficient performance. Meanwhile, the Soundcore Q20i provides up to 40 hours with ANC on and up to 60 hours without it, which is still solid but not as long-lasting as the HT3. It runs on Bluetooth 5.0 and includes features like dual device connectivity and fast charging, making it convenient for multitasking between devices. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.